Need a quick way to select from a range of values? The slider widget selects a single value from a range. Set the required onChanged function to respond to user interactions. Pass min and max arguments to change the selectable range. A slider with divisions will stick at certain points. Use the division parameter to set the number of points the slider will stick to. Setting the label parameter shows a label above the slider while it's being dragged. That's it. But what if you wanted to select a subset from a range of values? The RangeSlider widget selects two values defined in the RangeValues class. Min, max, divisions, and labels can also be set on a RangeSlider. If you want your iOS users to feel at home, you might want to use a CupertinoSlider. You can even create an adaptive slider that shows either a Cupertino or material slider based on the platform. For more info on Slider, RangeSlider, CupertinoSlider, and all the other Flutter widgets, head on over to flutter.dev.